Recruitment Legends Presence Employer of Record South Africa. A professional employer organization. We are a South African in-country employer of record specialist for companies that are based in Europe, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the USA. We can assist you in ensuring that your company is in compliance with the various labor and employment laws in South Africa. We can also provide you with an EOR service, or you can hire our staff for yourself, and we will manage the payroll and tax requirements. We offer companies looking to build their SA Business 3 Employer of Record Services (EO) or Professional Employer Organization (PEO) services. Permanent placements, contract employment or temporary employment services (TES). We help companies hire and manage their staff members in South Africa through our EOR service. We then put them on our platform, which ensures that all taxes, salaries, and statutory payments are handled by us. You can also hire our staff members or use our own HR department to add them to our EOR service. These individuals can work from anywhere in South Africa. As a legal entity, we help companies in South Africa build their own legal entities, which will allow them to comply with the various laws in the country. Once the entities are registered, you can then move your staff members into your own company. We can also provide you with a customized EOR package that fits to your specific needs in South Africa. We have the necessary resources and expertise to handle all your business needs. Human Resources Management. Why hire South Africans? Why hire South Africans to work remotely from a South African office? English is our first language. We have a talent pool of good candidates, we have good fiber, and South Africans are renowned to be hard workers, and most importantly, to Europe, Canada, the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, or USA, you are getting a good staff member for much cheaper than you would in Europe, UK, New Zealand, Singapore, Australia, or USA. Processing payroll. What we do is decrease and remove all the complications related to these HR-related operations, allowing you to access new markets, manage payroll for international employees, and run benefit systems more efficiently for you in South Africa. More specifically, the Employer of Record, EOR, will provide a registered entity for running a compliant local payroll inside South Africa, where we are able to advise you on laws regarding local contracts, worker protections, notice periods, termination rules, and severance pay. We will also act as the host country interface between your employees and local government authorities. Plus, it takes a big chunk out of that paperwork piling up on your desk. What is an Employer of Record, EOR, or Professional Employer Organization, PEO? An Employer of Record, EOR, is a third-party organization that hires and pays an employee on behalf of another company and takes responsibility for all formal employment tasks. Using an employer of records allows companies to engage with overseas workers legally and efficiently in a new country, either without having to set up a local entity or without the risk of violating local employment laws. If you have an entity in South Africa and pay us from South Africa, you will be charged 15% VAT, but if you do not have an entity, you will not be charged VAT, value-added tax. Recruitment and legal compliance. We act as your South African in-country specialist or employer of record, EOR, in South Africa, enabling businesses based in Europe, Canada, the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, or USA to be compliant with South African legislation and tax laws. We can employ your staff for you in South Africa and put them on our employer of record, EOR, service, or you can employ them yourself and use our employer of record, EOR, service to ensure compliance. Hiring your permanent and contract staff. Permanent recruitment focuses on hiring highly qualified and talented candidates that are willing to grow with your company over time. Permanent recruitment employees have full-time contracts and enjoy the benefits a company is providing. Contract recruitment, on the other hand, focuses on bringing in employees on a limited time contract, linked to short-term assignments. Once the assignment is finished, they continue on to the next project. Recruitment Legends offers both services, depending on the workforce you are looking for. We offer vetted, tested, and referenced staff, who are at the top of their game. What sets us apart? Recruitment Legends offers recruitment services for permanent and contract staffing in all disciplines and levels nationally. Holding strong relationships with key stakeholders, we ensure the right fit and truer solution is created for each of our clients. We will obtain a comprehensive job brief to establish the specific requirements for each position. Candidates are sourced through headhunting talent, paid advertising, our social network, and our large database. We have a growing pool of talented job seekers looking for the right opportunity. How we can help your business? We can help your business CV screening service. CVs will be screened against the core competencies of the position to identify which candidates are most suitable. Candidates are interviewed thoroughly and reference checks done before we present a shortlist. Criminal and qualification checks are done. And with recruiting, our recruiters are all experienced and are experts at finding you top talent. Whether you're searching for a scarce skill set or are struggling with a high volume of applications, we can find you the right professional for your role, saving you time and money. We are also happy to add employees employed by you or another supplier to our professional employer organization, PEO, and employer of record, EOR, service. Contact us today on www.employerofrecords.co.za for expert advice or email recruitment@employerofrecords.co.za.